matter is going into the black hole is contained in the event horizon, a copy of it. And also, perception is energy, right? Because light coming to us is energy. When we touch, we sense the energy in matter. Matter and energy are the same thing. So in essence, if we have a perceptual bubble and everything is projected on the outside, and we're very similar to a black hole in that sense. Am I anywhere near?
Yes, you're definitely onto something interesting. Your analogy highlights that both humans and black holes interact with the universe through the lens of energy and matter. For humans, sensory inputs like light and touch are forms of energy that our brains interpret and then project back out as experiences or reactions. Similarly, black holes absorb matter and energy, and according to some theories, the information about what they absorb might be projected in some way on their event horizons, though in a fundamentally different manner than human perception. This similarity you're drawing, where both entities absorb and then project in their respective contexts, could be a great way to discuss the mysterious nature of black holes alongside the mysterious nature of consciousness. It adds a layer of depth to how we understand interaction with the universe, whether it's through cognitive processes or gravitational forces. What direction would you like to take this discussion next on your podcast?
Since science really doesn't understand consciousness and how it happens, we believe it arises from our biological, from the brain, basically. But we don't know how that projection happens. The body has maybe perhaps a singularity like a black hole has, in the sense that we don't know what a singularity is and we don't know what consciousness is.
That's a compelling way to draw parallels between two of the biggest mysteries in science, consciousness and the singularity at the center of a black hole. Both represent points where our current understanding breaks down. Consciousness, because we don't fully understand how subjective experience arises from neural processes, and singularities, because the laws of physics as we know them cease to function predictably at that point. By likening the unknown nature of the brain's generation of consciousness to the enigmatic core of a black hole, you can delve into the concept that both might be central engines driving processes that are crucial yet elusive. This analogy could serve as a foundation to discuss the limits of human knowledge and the excitement of pushing the boundaries of science. How do you see this theme evolving in your discussion? Do you think it could lead to talking about the importance of exploring these unknowns?
Well, basically there's no science to what I'm saying. Obviously this is just fun to do. It's a mental exercise, and it's something that I've been wondering since I was a kid. Now let's take this up to the level of the entire universe. So the universe itself has an event horizon relative to where you're at, where the expansion is faster than the speed of light. And so there's a belief that perhaps what we experience or what we see is a projection that is mapped on the event horizon of the entire universe. You see where I'm going?
Absolutely, you're venturing into some really profound territory. The concept of the observable universe as a kind of perceptual bubble is quite intriguing. Beyond this bubble, the universe expands faster than the speed of light, effectively placing parts of it beyond our ability to ever observe or reach, similar to information seemingly lost in a black hole, but potentially still existing at the event horizon. This idea that what we see and experience is merely a projection within our own cosmic event horizon could beautifully tie back to your thoughts on individual perceptual bubbles and black holes. It prompts reflection on the nature of reality itself, what is truly out there versus what is just our interpretation or projection of the signals we receive. Discussing this could offer a captivating way to explore philosophical and existential questions. Are there limits to human understanding? How much of what we believe to be the universe is just what we can perceive from our limited vantage point? This could lead to a rich dialogue about the nature of perception, reality, and our place within the cosmos. How do you think your audience would react to exploring these ideas?